Hey, it's Rick Johnson from Web Video Realty in 1792 Periwinkle. My new construction listing, the latest with LLD Investments, is complete. So let's take a walk through and have a look right now. So starting outside of this spectacular property, 1792 Periwinkle, again, just completed. Landscaping just went in and it looks fantastic. You got a concrete drive, concrete sidewalks, concrete apron. And if you look here at the siding, this is hardy board siding, so you're never going to have to paint this. You're never going to have to change it, maintain it. It's not going to fade or warp in the sunlight. It's an excellent construction material for people who just don't want to be bothered with that stuff anymore. You can see our brick fascia, brick on the front here. Again, no step entry on this home. Some of the new landscaping. Covered front porch with recessed lighting. Gonna have some good times out here. Let's go inside. And boom, there it is. This is commercial grade luxury vinyl tile, and it is through everything but the bedrooms in this home. It will last for years, stand up to pets, and with the many ADA features in this home, this will stand up to wheelchairs and walkers and any of that stuff should you have related living or need any of those items for yourself. So through the front door, bedroom number one. Great for an office right off the front door, especially if you're seeing or entertaining clients. We've got our coat closet right here, followed by the first full bath. Again, that commercial luxury vinyl tile. So you don't have to worry about water or pretty much anything else. The linen closet there. Beautiful vanity. Lighting fixtures. Worth mentioning here too in the baths is that the extra framing or studs necessary for grab rails are already here, right? So you don't have to put the grab rails up, but should you need to, it's already here. That's in the master as well. Past that, bedroom number two. And bedroom number two features a walk-in closet. Get some light on for you for that. There we go. That's nice, walk-in closet. In your second bedroom. That is the laundry room. It is huge, by the way. Still the granite countertops. Removable spout type faucet in your slop sink with soap dispenser. And again, your luxury vinyl tile. We're going to talk a little bit more about the garage and the room behind it here very soon. So as we make our way into the main living area, huge high ceiling, recessed lighting, beautiful, great room here. Open to the dining room combination, and bam, look at that kitchen. Granite countertops, soft close drawers, recessed lighting, that huge island with the overhang for your bar stools, and stainless steel Whirlpool appliances. Plenty of outlets and outlets on your plant shelf as well, which is a really nice touch. And as we make our way then to the master bedroom, you can see that these are very wide doors and will accommodate ADA specifications. This is the master. Again, you got your high ceilings. You got your recessed lighting. And what would a master suite or primary suite be without this huge walk-in closet? Again, with high ceilings. So if you have any of those closet solutions, storage solutions, or modular solutions, you got a lot more space to put up what you want in that master or primary walk-in closet. And here's the master bath. Check this thing out. Dual vanity, granite countertops, beautifully appointed with fixtures. Again, recessed lighting, this time above the shower. Look at this, nice, even transition to the shower floor, right? No curbs to climb over. Just note the fixtures in this shower. Absolutely beautiful. Got the rainfall shower head up there. This place is really something very special, very well thought out. You got your recessed shelving in there, your shampoos, bottles, and whatnot. So let's take a little walk through the garage, and let me show you a really cool feature about this house. But before we do that, I'm going to give you one look out the backyard here. Fenced on almost all sides right now anyway, so you'd really have to put up one section here on the right for your dogs. And actually, you don't even have to put up a whole section, just block off that utility easement there and you're golden. You can see we've got east-west exposure here, so this, even with the lights on, you've got so much light in here through the mid-afternoon. Absolutely beautiful. Okay, again, we're in the laundry room. Again, those huge 9-foot ceilings make 40-inch cabinets in here possible if you wanted to do that. All kinds of room for folding table. You got folding space here next to the slop sink anyway. But so much room for cabinetry and storage if you're in here if you so desire. Now, the garage is huge. It's like a polished concrete floor there. It is absolutely huge. Got a little extra space over here as well. And let me show you something really cool. And this is why you don't need the hassle of stairs for a basement, moisture, sump pump maintenance, all that other stuff that goes with it. You've got all this storage in here for your Christmas decorations, your Halloween decorations, your seasonal storage, your leftover paint cans, if you will. Here she is. What a beautiful home by LLD Investments. Another new construction marvel with so many thoughtful features in it. Come see for yourself all of them and schedule a tour with me at realestatebytheriver.com.